2012 Infiniti FX35. The FX stands out with bold styling, an eager powertrain, and responsive handling. The 3.5-liter V6 provides plenty of power and 18 miles per gallon overall and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, dual front airbags, HomeLink garage door opener, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.